Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillah, alhamdulillah, salatu wassalam ala rasulillah wa ba'd. Welcome back everybody to our newest video. Today in lesson number 12, we're going to continue what we began in the last video, and that is learning about al-mudud. Remember, the mudud are the vowels, the long sounds in the Arabic language. We learned about alif, the first vowel, and that in order for it to be longer, it needs to have a sukun and a fatha before it. Remember though, that sometimes you won't see that sukun. And what does that mean? Well, it means that by default it has a sukun. Okay? Today we're going to learn about the next vowel. Now I wrote alif waw ya, but since we began with the fatha and followed it with the kasra, we're going to continue with that format. So we're going to learn about the vowel that goes with the kasra, and that is the letter ya. Now in order for the ya to be a vowel, all right, and to be what from the windpipe that goes to the lung, the trachea, this is the sound that comes from your lungs, it has to have sukun. So one of these three symbols. Well, there's only two symbols. Remember, if it has nothing, then it's a sukun. If it has a little jim, then it has sukun. And if it has the little circle, then it has sukun. So that's the first thing that needs to happen to the ya in order for it to be a longer sound. The next thing is that the letter before it, whatever that letter may be, right, must have a kasra. Now, when these two things happen, we can now extend the sound of the kasra. So we have the letter ba with a kasra, bi, by itself, right? But since ya appeared after it and it has a sukun, we can now extend the sound of the kasra, bi. And you're going to hear me pronounce what? All of the letters with a vowel after that. So let's begin with the chart, all right? First letter, E, B, T, Th, G, He, Khi, D, The, Ri, Z, Si, She, Si, Di, Ti, Dhi, Ghi, Ghi, Fi, Qi, Ki, Li, Mi, Ni, We, He, Ye. Very good. Before we begin with set one, just again a reminder, how long should the vowel be? Remember in our last video, when we talked about the alif vowel, we said that it is going to be harakatan, right? And that basically means what? It's going to have as long as a sound as it takes you to pronounce two harakas. So, So same thing with the ya, right? Don't make the vowel too long. B. Okay, and don't make it short. B. Make it at least two harakat. B. So in these words, I want you to hear, right, the extension of the vowel, right, or the haraka. And in this one that we're learning, remember the kasra is made longer because of the appearance of the vowel ya, which you'll see right here. Okay, let's begin with set one. And word one. Udhuni. 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 Next word. Kutubi. 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 Next word. Kurati. 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 Next word. Safari. سفري سفري. Next word. عملي عملي عملي. Next line. Before I read it, you probably have noticed what? That all of these words, they have a ya, right? Well, what's missing with the ya? What's missing is the two dots. And that's fine. It's okay. If you don't see the dots, then you are still dealing with a ya. Okay? So let's move on to the next set. Karami. 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 Next word. Unuqi. 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 Next word. Sifati. 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 Next word. Sahari. 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 Next word. Suhufi. 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 Next line. Raqami. 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 Next word. Araqi. 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 Next word. Waraqi. 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 Next word. Qalami. 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 Next word. Samari. 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 Next line. And these words are going to be longer. Now we're doing 5-letter words. And in these next words, actually, we're going to be dealing with 2 vowels. So we have a combination of alif vowel and the ya vowel. So I want you to hear, right? Let's just take the first word here. Okay. The first vowel is here, the alif. Alif with sukoon, fatha before it. So this fatha is going to be longer because of the appearance of this vowel alif. The second vowel is here, the ya. It has sukoon, there's a kasra before it. So we're going to make the kasra sound on the meme longer because of the appearance of what? The ya. So the elongation happens here and here. It's not on the meme itself, right? If I was going to make the meme long, I would just be saying or me. But that's not how it is. We make this letter longer. Me. You hear the ya being extended. Okay. So, in order for me to pronounce the alif, I need the letter before it needs a supporting letter. In order for me to pronounce the what? The ya, I need the meme with it. So we're going to have, so to say, 3 syllables. Or 3, we're going to break it up into 2. The first one, these 2 go together, and then these 2 go together. All right, the next line. Salami. 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 Next word. Kalami. 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 Next word. Ta'ami. 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 Next word. Silahi. 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 Last word. Shimali. 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 Very good. Okay, Jazakumullah khair. Continue to practice, and inshallah we'll see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.